Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. A relief rally is underway on Wall Street, responding to the delays in tariffs by the US on EU goods. Data releases resumed in the US after their weekend holiday, with durable goods orders pulling back in April after the unusually strong March gains. The pullback was largely in line with what was expected, however, at minus 6.3% lower than the prior month, but up 2.7% from a year ago. Perhaps worryingly, excluding aircraft orders, non-defence capital goods orders barely budged in April, a sign that boardrooms remain skittish about future investment. That was matched by the Dallas Fed's May factory survey, where activity was reported flat with a decline in new orders. But consumers seem happier, according to the Conference Board's May survey of consumer sentiment, but it was a survey taken before the latest US threats on the EU, so there's a sense of a relief rally here too after the China tariff pullback. Across the Pacific in China, profits at industrial firms rose 1.4% in the first 4 months of 2025 compared to the same 4 months in 2024, picking up from a 0.8% growth in the January to March period. For April alone, there was a rise of 5.2% from April 2024. Having noted that, April 2024 was a weak base. Still, given the trade challenges and China's factories are still very export-oriented and vulnerable to trade war risks, this has to be seen as a good result in the circumstances. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.44% and down 6 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $3,302 an ounce, down $38 from yesterday. And oil prices are down $1 at just over $60.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is still just under $64 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is down to 59.5 US cents, a half-cent retreat from yesterday at this time, as commodity currencies are out of favour today. Against the Aussie, we're down 20 basis points at just on 92.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're holding at 52.5 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just over 67.6 and down 30 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.